This flight was with a brand new Dogcom 148180C 6 cell packs.
You don't know how this feels.
A gate is an amazing training tool wrench.
First you have to know, not fear. Know.
You don't know how this feels.
First you have to know, not fear.
Congratulations.
RCADDICT.